In this video, me and my dad are going camping, fishing, and hiking for the next 3 days. So come along for a great time. We're already packed up. We brought a bunch of wood. There was a whole ecosystem growing on some of them, but we shook it off good enough, I think. The place we're going has bass, bluegill, trout, and a bunch of other things, so hopefully we can get a couple of those.
Seems like probably pretty good. Maybe we need to get some. I think there's probably like a...
Something wrong with that deer. We're gonna hike around this wildlife center. What is up with that deer?
See a bird.
And then the nice little chipping sparrows are just like, they just laugh.
It's not raining. There's just little stuff in there.
Go get raincoats?
Now it's raining a little bit. Did someone abandon their baby here?
Probably gave up on the stroller.
Okay, good. Wood duck. Looks like there's beavers. Old barns.
Look at all the birds.
Check all that out.
I'm not gonna stand here in the rain.
Rain's coming down though. Something flying over there. More deer right in there. Yeah. Skunk cabbage. Yeah, all those green plants, all those, they kind of smell like a skunk, but they're everywhere. Alright, that was cool and fun, but we're going to go to Cabela's and then we're going to head to the campsite. Look at all that. Whitetail, mule deer, elk, albino beaver. Look at all this. You see that, Dad?
Sturgeon.
That's what we're going for. We're going for bass. And bluegills.
Look at the sturgeon at the bottom.
Oh, that's crazy. These are nice bass too. I think that's a red ear. That's a big bass. I want to catch one like that. Look at all these rainbows. That's like the big one my cousin caught. And some of them are even bigger than bigger than that one. Man, that's so cool. There's just one bluegill in the rainbow trout tank. Oh, never mind. There's a couple. That's a pumpkin seed. Muskot. Polar bear. That leopard's tiny.
Some crab legs. There's some fish. Is it bad luck to green?
Yeah, it is. We're gonna get some food and then go to the campsite. Here we are. All right, we just scouted out some fishing spots. Now we're gonna go get our campsite all set up. Here it is. We got the tent mostly set up. We got camp all set up, so we're just gonna go throw some worms by the dock and see if we can catch something. I just had something on the mini Ned rig. I went over to the little kid dock. Check this out. Oh, he came off. Got me a nice little bluegill. Cute little guy. Beautiful colors on that guy. Purple and gold. Alright, that was fun. We're going to head back to camp now. Maybe make some food or something. Alright, that was fun, but we're going to head back to camp and make some food or something. Neither of us are actually hungry yet. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to have me go down, catch a little bluegill or something. A little perch or something. And if I can get one, we'll throw it. We have our flat top grill. We'll throw it on there. See if we can make it taste really good. So hopefully it's easy to catch them like that last one I caught. I see a nice little panfish. Probably just a little sunfish down there. I don't know if I can get him on camera or not. But I'm going to try and catch that guy. Alright, no fish. We're just going to head back to camp and cook something up. Alright, I'm going to go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Alright, it's the morning. It was supposed to rain this morning, but it hasn't started yet. Hopefully it doesn't rain at all. I think it's going to be a good day. I'm going to go look at the lake real quick. Nothing interesting. It's raining a ton, but we're just going to cast some worms by the dock and see if we can get a fish. My dad got a bluegill, bro. Look at that little guy. Didn't think we were going to get any today, but that's a good sign. I just got me a good sized bluegill. Look at that guy. Good colors on him. Alright, we're going to head to a lake that's got a bunch of different species, and it's got brown trout in it, which I've never caught before, so hopefully I can get one of those. Alright, change of plans. Now we're at a pond that I've been to once before, and supposedly they stocked this with rainbow trout recently, so hopefully this goes good. We're just doing worms and bobbers. One just jumped right in front of me, so hopefully we can get some. My dad just lost a little guy. Alright, we gotta head back to the campsite. The rain's kind of been ruining our fishing today. We're back at the campsite. Looks like some kind of critter's been here. That's not old. We're gonna head to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We're gonna start packing up and then head home. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the rest of the channel.